In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a server clock on Discord. Adding a server clock to your Discord server is a great way to display the current time for your community. Whether you're managing an international server, hosting events, or simply want members to know the current time in a specific time zone, a server clock can make your server more organized and convenient. In this tutorial, I'll show you the general process of adding a clock to your Discord server using an app from Discord's app directory. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to add the server clock. Make sure you have permission to add apps to the server before continuing. Next, click your server's name at the top of the channel list, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Server Settings page opens, scroll through the options on the left and click App Directory. Inside the app directory, use the search bar to look for a ClockBot or Server Clock app. After the search results appear, select the app that best matches your needs to open its information page. Take a moment to review its features and make sure it's the one you want to use. When you're ready, click the Add App button. Discord will ask you to choose the server where you'd like to add the app. Select your server from the list. Click Continue, review the requested permissions, and then click Authorize. If prompted, complete the verification process to confirm that you're a real person. Once the app has been added successfully, return to your Discord server. Depending on the app you've chosen, it may automatically create a clock channel, or it may require you to complete a short setup using / commands. If the app uses / commands, open the channel where you want to configure the clock and type a / to display the available commands. Select the appropriate setup or configuration command, then follow the prompts to choose the time zone, channel, or display format if those options are available. After completing the setup, the server clock will begin displaying the current time according to your selected configuration. If you ever need to change the time zone or adjust other settings, simply use the app's configuration commands again or revisit its settings page. Before relying on the clock for scheduled events, it's a good idea to confirm that the displayed time matches your intended time zone. This helps ensure that announcements and community events occur at the correct time for your members. That's all there is to it. Adding a server clock to Discord is a simple way to help your community stay informed and make scheduling much easier. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,